Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers, and tonight I'm coming at you with a break of 2013 Score Jumbo Football. A few months ago I did a free giveaway for 4 of my breakers, and what happened was there was no numbered cards, no inserts, no autographs, no memorabilia in the box. So Panini sent me another box to rectify the situation. Thank you, Panini and Tracy, I appreciate that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the free break for them. I'm only going to be sending out the numbered cards and the relic or autograph that comes in the box. And I will go down the list and show everybody who is in the break and who has what teams. This was in the finest, I think there's 26. There's a lot to go. Arizona Cardinals, Greg B. Atlanta Falcons, Matt H. Baltimore Ravens, Will H. Buffalo Bills, Kyle G. Carolina Panthers, Greg B. Chicago Bears, Matt H. Cincinnati Bengals, Will H. Cleveland Browns, Kyle G. Dallas Cowboys, Greg B. Denver Broncos, Matt H. Detroit Lions, Will H. Green Bay Packers, Kyle G. Houston Texans, Greg B. Indianapolis Colts, Matt H. Jacksonville Jaguars, Will H. Kansas City Chiefs, Kyle G. Miami Dolphins, Greg B. Minnesota Vikings, Matt H. New England Patriots, Will H. New Orleans Saints, Kyle G. New York Giants, Greg B. New York Jets, Matt H. Oakland Raiders, Will H. Philadelphia Eagles, Kyle G. Pittsburgh Steelers, Greg B. San Diego Chargers, Matt H. San Francisco 49ers, Will H. Seattle Seahawks, Kyle G. St. Louis Rams, Greg B. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Matt H. Tennessee Titans, Will H. Washington Redskins, Kyle G. There you have it, guys. Let's get right into the break. And my Mojo knife is not here, so we're going to use the scissors. Alright, here's hoping we could pull some boom baby for them. Nice big jumbo packs. Fresh from Panini, we'll just take them out of the box as they come along. Clay Matthews, Jermaine Gresham, Troy Polamalu, Reggie Bush. We're just going to go through the base cards. I'll see if there's any numbered cards or parallels. I see there's inserts in the middle, so that's what I'm expecting everything to be. But I don't want to mess anything up. And Denard Robinson, Jason Witten scorecard. And guys, I'm just sending out the numbered cards, autograph and relic, not the parallels or rookies. In this, we're going to donate them all. Beautiful design by Panini. I love the look of these cards. Very crisp and sharp. I like to throw back to the 89 score set. Alright, so no hits there. I think they're all going to be in the middle. And what do we have here? Cecil Shorts autograph. And that's going to the Jacksonville Jaguars, Will H. Ah, here we got a nice gold parallel, Joe Hayden. And that's going to be number 1 of 50. Another number 1 here at the Case Breakers. And that's going to the Cleveland Browns, Kyle G. There you go, buddy. And all the rest are going to be base. So they're right in the middle. Oh, another autograph. Aaron Dobson. New England Patriots again. Will H. There you go, buddy. Hot rookies Marcus Lattimore. And an Anquan Bolden scorecard. Geno, there you go. Geno Smith. And guys, just to show you, here you can see 1 autograph or memorabilia card per box, and we've gotten 2 already. Very nice. Yeah, these are awesome cards. And Will's going to be a happy camper with 2 hits. Landry Jones and a Brandon Marshall scorecard. Tavon Austin, hot rookies. And here we go. Sheldon Richardson, number 39 of 99. Going to the Jets. Matt H. There you go, buddy. And there's an EJ upside down. Yeah, I like how they did that. The old school look rocks. Oh my goodness! Oh, boom, baby! Oh my goodness! Wow! Look at this, guys! Oh my goodness! Number 1 of 10. Boom, baby! Matt H. with those Jets. Oh my goodness! Wow! That is just sick. A free box from Panini is loaded, and a Geno Smith number 1 of 10 autograph. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. It does not get any better than that. I gotta get a soft sleeve. I don't have any soft. There I do. Wow, congrats, Matt. Oh, Justin, I said hello before. You didn't say nothing. Now all of a sudden you're saying something. Wow, congrats, Matt. Now, why are people not getting in our breaks when we pull this? When we pull that, why are people not getting in our breaks, guys? I don't know. It just doesn't make any sense to me. And we got a Tony Milwaukee silver foil, number 52 of 99. That's going to the Chiefs. And that's going to Kyle. Nice hit, Kyle. I like that shiny card. You gotta be kidding me. I gotta see if I can get that card That's Matt, and I'm going to see if I can get it from him. Wow. Panini, you rock. You guys rock, Panini. You guys rock. Do we have another autograph here? You gotta be kidding me. Come on, man. Wow, that's going to the Colts. Matt again. Wow. Beyond Warner. And a Shane Vereen scorecard. Wow, Cordell Patterson. Panini, you guys rock. Thank you so much. Cordell Patterson, and here's a Sean McCoy, and that is numbered 14 of 99. That's going to the Eagles. Kyle G. Once again, he's getting all the numbered cards. Haven't hit anything for Gray yet. Let's hit something for Gray here in the last 2 packs we got. They can't do it on purpose. There's no way they can. All these are packaged way before I got this box, guys. That's a hot rookie Deion Jordan. And a Matt Schaub artist proof. And that's number 6 of 32. Going to the Houston Texans. There you go. Greg B. Got your hit, buddy. Why? He had gotten skunked until then. I wish it was that easy. I wish it was that easy, Jason. We hit all our autographs out. That's it, but that was a solid box. There's a scorecard of Ryan Broyles and just a bunch of rookies. Guys, that was a solid, boom, baby box. Just crazy. I'm going to just show this one more time. That is just gorgeous. That is just gorgeous. Look at that. Number 1 of 10. I'm going to have to ask Matt if he wants to trade it to me. Or if he wants it. There we go. That's a nice picture. 1 of 10. Wow. And the number 1s just keep coming here at the Case Breakers too. Guys, if you haven't checked this out yet, go to www.thecasebreakers.com and follow us on Twitter at @thecasebreakers. Boom, baby!